ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kids of all ages and sizes. Actually, kids are probably not watching this since I curse a lot, and maybe I'll stop in the future, but right now I'm keeping it real. We're gonna take the Super today to my boy Max's shop, that little Russian bastard. You know that he's inexperienced with sexual activities. I'm gonna take the shop to him. We're gonna install the APG brakes. I wanna give you guys a cold start real quick, so. All right guys, I made it to Russia, and it is true what they say, the pussies are pink here. Right, Max?
I guess so.
Here, this is Max's new shop. It's called Velocita Motorworks.
Motorsports.
Sorry, it's called it's called Velocita Motorsports, and Velocita in Italian means speed.
Correct.
So, what does it mean in Russian?
Good question.
Maybe we should find out, because if someone of Latin descent comes and that word means, like, you know, murderer in Latin, yeah, then you might want to have a story for it.
Yeah.
Like you're killing it type, yeah, shit, you know? Yeah. So let's put it in Google later and see all the different meanings, because Latin, you know, what if you get a Cuban, French?
So like, maybe it is a good idea.
Yeah. So guys, so this is Max's new shop. It's big. First of all, the one thing that I love, the driveway is flat, super flat. And this whole parking area he's got, well, like it's not all his, but like, let's say he wants to hold a meet on Sunday, no one's here. So that's sick. Entry, no bump, no hump, no lump.
After service.
Beer at 9 in the morning.
Where's my tip?
I have one for you.
I'm a bartender here now.
Yeah, I got you a tip. Am I drinking alone?
No, I'll grab one.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so this is his shop. It's big, so I like he's got 2 lifts here. He's gonna put another lift there and another lift there, okay? Then he's got he's living right here right now. This is your trailer, right? Yeah, he lives in the trailer right here. He's got a tire machine. He's got balancer here. He's got a fab table over there. He's got like a press mount for transmission stuff, a drill for engine building, and all kinds of shit. He's got a 120-gallon tank there. It's pretty big. Congrats.
Thank you, brother.
Anyway, this is pretty sick. When Max said that he was starting his own shop, or he had his own shop, in my head, I thought it was a tiny little fucking cock, but it's big. It's really big. Yeah, it's pretty big. So, yep. So Supra's here. We're gonna put it on the lift. We got the APG brakes. I'm gonna unbox them. I kind of already unboxed the caliper, so, but I'm gonna unbox them. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna lay them out, do the whole thing. I just don't think it's gonna fit. I brought spacers with me just in case, and then we can figure it out. But yeah, I'm not really a spacers guy. But you know.
Spacers are for losers.
Yeah, but we'll see. So let's get the bitch on the lift and see what's up. Oh, by the way, look at the catch can.
She can breathe right here.
Yeah. Let's unbox these brakes. Steel braided lines. Instructions not needed. Holy fuck. 380 millimeter slotted rotors. Powder coated teal. Sick. Okay? Sick. There's all the hardware boxes. 8 fucking pistons for this thing. Boom. Sick. So yeah, they custom powder coated these based on what I was hoping to match with the cage and my valve cover and stuff. It's actually pretty close. These are sick. 8 piston. I don't think they're gonna fit, but we'll make it fit.
Fest.
Can you bend over again like you were?
Oh yeah, like
Yeah.
freaking.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Okay.
that's nice. Hey, you're leaking oil.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. See it dripping.
You'll see what it is.
Let me go up and see the leak.
Lick these nuts.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I got that on camera. We can cut, I'll show you, but the hardware on the wheels, we can cut the bolts because that's what's gonna hit the caliper first. So we'll see.
Yeah, no, either way we can cut it. We got something to do that.
Okay.
So much oil. It ain't leaking though.
Bro, this was from the
Okay, I know,
valve cover.
I get it.
Okay,
You have a catch can now.
now I do.
Yeah, but we gotta clean this shit up.
Okay.
Fire hole.
Yeah, fire in the hole. There's another one.
The gates, yeah. It's so roomy though with the 2J. Like,
In
so much room for activities.
Oh, right there, yeah.
So this rack is from what?
E92 M3.
E92 M3. I see that now.
First sentence. Do not assume that your wheels will fit. Well, it says T, but I'm assuming that says fit. So, that's the #1 problem that we might have today, is that the wheels will not fit. I don't really want to run spacers, so we'll see. Took it off. So we're just gonna put the rotor and caliper on now and then put the wheel on just to see how bad it really is. Because if it's super, super, super bad, then we'll just put these back on until I get the proper spacers or whatever. I only have 15 mils. So yeah, we don't want to re-bleed the brakes if we don't have to. Velosa?
Velocita.
It's like Velociraptor.
Yeah.
Because those are fast too.
Yeah. Now we get the caliper.
I like slotted more than drilled. It's like a nice little slit. Anal pussy gate.
Forged.
Ass, pussy, and gaping them both. Forged. Fucked. Ass, pussy, gaping, fucked.
Forged.
Forged. Sorry, APG. I love you guys. This is a full APG build.
I need to shim it.
Shim? Yeah. Shim shimmy, shim shimmy, shim 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 roll.
So the hardware works.
Fuck you. Shim,
Not this
shimmy,
one.
shim,
The other
shimmy.
bracket.
What do you mean the other bracket?
That bracket needs shimmed.
Oh, those are these. The bracket?
Yeah. Same shims.
Shim shimmy, same shim?
Yeah, look, the same shims.
Shim shimmy, shim
Shimmy,
shim, shim shim. I wanna fuck you and your grandma too. Shim
Almost
shimmy.
dead.
So is mine.
Fucked. You say fucked, I say forged.
Yeah, same thing.
Because it's a forged anal pussy.
Well, yeah.
What?
All right, this is just a test fit.
Yeah, it's just bolted on there. We didn't bleed anything. We didn't loctate anything. We're just gonna double check it.
Yeah.
Drum roll. I think it's just the hardware. But wow, that looks so good.
Is it just the hardware? Is it fully?
Yeah, it's literally like I'm all the way seated.
Is it hitting?
Yeah. Yep. But it's just barely.
It's like 5 mil barely or 10 mil barely?
Let me look at my phone light real quick. 5 mil. I think.
Or what if it's the bolts? Are the bolts really protruding that much?
Let me see something.
It's not even fully in though.
Yeah, I know. I'm just looking at it from the gapping.
And you can't put it in all the way?
No.
Because the bolts are hitting
Exactly.
the caliper.
I think 5 mils like this, huh?
I have a 10 mil. I have
Coming.
15 right now.
15 is too much. You don't need a 15.
Okay. Well, no matter what, we're gonna make it fit. So I'll get a 5 mil and a 10 mil over here, and then we'll see which one works.
Yeah.
Update. I don't want to run spacers, so we're gonna try to cut my wheel in half, see if that shit fits. Update. So we only cut a few of them just to test it. There's no reason to cut them all if it's not gonna fit by cutting the few. So let's see. You can see the hardware was hitting over here. So.
Trim ones are here, so I can rotate it to that point. I think we're good there, bro.
Oh, those ones are.
Well, it's not hitting right there right now.
I know, but did you pass the whole caliper though?
Yeah, I'm flush.
No, I'm saying have you got rotated?
Yeah, look, this is the section where it's cut. Right there's where it's not cut. Feel that?
Oh no. It's also hitting the face of the wheel.
Where?
Right here, right there.
No, it's not.
It's really close, bro.
$5 mil. Right there, you see that hardware? This one right here.
Yeah.
It's barely touching it, bro.
Like even with it trimmed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
5 mil.
2 mil?
Even 2 mil. If we trim it, we can even do like a 1 mil.
5 mil. 5 mil without trimming it would work? Or trimming it and 5 mil?
Maybe. We can try it with a 5 mil before trimming. And then if I need to, I can just trim a little bit off. I don't need to go all the way off.
So the front requires, with these wheels, 5 mil spacer and trimming the hardware. The rear, obviously I don't have the rear brakes. So what we're gonna do is, we should be good with the rears. So Mac's is gonna make it work. Max always makes things work, so we'll figure it out. I'll keep you guys posted.
All right, guys, what's up? It's Max here on Mark's vlog. So we have everything installed, the brake system's bled and everything. Here's just a little comparison between this one, the factory Supra, well, BMW technically here, caliper, compared to the APG forged massive caliper. I mean, the size, honestly, between the two is just a little bit different, but the APG just looks so much better with everything color matched. So everything's installed.
So guys, Super Street, we're back at it, Velociraptor Motorworks. Or actually it's called Velocita, what now?
Velocita Motorsports.
Velocita Motorsports. So it's not Motorworks, it's Motorsports. It's nice. The brakes look fucking sick. I love the teal hat too. This is like Project Mu color. By the way, APG is a JDM brand. So this is still Japanese. They're made in Japan. They're super, super, super sick. Man. Fucking shout out to APG for working with me on this car. What it took to make these fit with these wheels was a 5 mil spacer in the front, which is fine. 5 mil still safe, it's fine. Because this wheel, the way that this wheel is, it was hitting the caliper, so I got 5 mil spacer, but still looks good. Right now, just for the fuck of it, we're changing the valve cover gasket, just for the fuck of it, just because I ran through the car and I'm anal and stuff, and I don't want to bother Sam. Obviously, 412 can do it, but Velocity here, Max, we're homies, capable of doing all kinds of shit. So just want to change the gasket, see if anything's leaking and everything is good, brakes are good, and then I can feel more comfortable driving it. So as I drive this car more and more and more, things are just gonna pop up because it's the first one in the world on a street car. So obviously little things are gonna pop up that I'm gonna wanna attend to or retighten or fix or whatever. And I have a really close relationship with just a couple people that I trust to work with this car. So Max would be one of them, Sam is the other one. Anyway guys, that's it for this episode. The APG brakes are on. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to drive it. As soon as I drive it on the street, I'll get a whole nother video on how much good it stops, how well it stops, but it looks amazing. So thank you APG, shout out to APG, and thank you so much, peace.